we go. This is what 3 trips looks like. Simon and Lucky Charms.
Grouper, too small.
Little red grouper.
Red grouper. Red grouper.
Right variety.
Sure is. Sure is. Nice kick, man. Watch those teeth, everybody. Good job. Give him a little flap in that reel. Don't write it off. No, I wouldn't be afraid of your muscle. I want to hook that, you know. Stay with him. Trust it.
How much traction do you have?
Probably pretty good. Looks like you got some, but you're giving them to resist. Taking time wearing them out.
Nice.
You hooked up too?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
I got someone. Nice.
Nice mutton there. Good keeper. Yep, got it. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Good fish. Nice mutton snapper. Good legal one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They tell me they taste like hogfish. I have not tried one yet. That's very good. We don't get these at Stewart. Charms, second trip of the day. Let's go. This is what 3 looks like. We got an empty boat. We're gonna fish hard. Come on with it. Got it.
Gonna run out of here. I want to step over here. Your legs and walk over here. Got it.
Yep.
Be up on that rail.
Fish, brother. He's probably 15, 20. I don't think you are. You're good. Everybody else, you're good. You drop back in. I cut everything else. So. Nice job, bro. Oh, that's for you. That's for you. Bring it up. Bring it up. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, the yellow on for you. Nice grass. Very good. Very good. That's right. Look at that.
You got some too?
Keep going, Kevin. Keep going. Mark. He's on the hook. He's on the hook. Come on with it. Stop. Don't stop. The sharks are going to come. Take it, bro. They're going to come take it. Don't let them get up now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay on it. I see going. I see going. Dude, that's a good fish, bro. Don't stop. The sharks are going to come right now. Reel as fast as you can. Nice job, dude. That's a really good fish. Dude, no way. Hey. I can't believe you just caught that fish. Your hook broke. Got no bar. Oh, I got your wrapped up. Alright. Dude, you need to save this hook. Alright. Here we are. Alright. Here's what we're going to do. Right like this. Come up under here. Put your fingers in there. All right. So get your index fingers in there. Use your thumb to control the squeeze part. Right there. Nice. Good job, man.
Yeah, that's mine.
Come here.
Get a little picture.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Alright, you're on. You guys are good.
Come on, son. Are you not seeing that?
No. I mean, you probably are. I don't know what the hell it is. Spencer, what are you going to call that? Hey, it's about time you got your together
Real,
over
man.
here.
Go, Alex.
Come on,
I got
man.
my groove back somehow.
That's a nice fish there, dude. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Oh.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful. So that's called a pudding white. It's a wrasse. It tastes like old snapper. It's amazing. You're going to be happy.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
That's right.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Good job.
Yeah. Fucking did something.
On the board. Good job.
On the board. We're on the leaderboard. Nowhere near Kevin. You know what, Captain? Yeah, you brought me out there to let you all catch all the fish. I caught all the fish.
I'll tell you what, man. The women outfish the men. I'm counting on you here, Christina. Where you at?
I caught 2 sharks and 4 fish.
That's true. That's true.
Lucky Charms, round 3. Let's go.
Oh, you might.
Big
Nice
mutt.
one, dude.
Big mutt.
Oh, babe,
so.
look at
That's-
you.
Absolutely. Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
You're putting in the time on that.
I'm sorry. He's a little amped up, isn't he?
See, I didn't stop right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gonna get
Or is that the gag? Is that the gag that's opened up?
Groupers don't all until like December.
Yeah, they used to be only 6 weeks.
Now it's 3 months.
Big mutton, that big? Yeah.
There's your fish.
Yes,
There you go. Get down, guys.
Oh, you could have got that.
Get him, get him. Look at that fish. I'm not worried about that flying fish. It is a mutton.
Big mutton.
Is he big enough?
He might be. Yeah. Yep. Nice. Nice. Nice job.